Tirukkolur Pen Pillai Rakasiyam, her 21st statement. Devumattariyeno Madara Kaviyare Pole. In this statement, she highlights the bhakti of Madara Kaviyar towards his Guru. Madara Kaviyar, who was later known as Madara Kavi Alvar. He was born in Tirukkolur, which is near Tirunelveli. Once he went to North India on pilgrimage tour, and when he was visiting all the Vishnu temples, one night he was guided by a bright light. That bright light gave him some message. So this is what Madara Kaviyar felt. This bright light is saying something, so let me follow it. So he followed that light and he walked in the same direction wherever the light appeared, and finally he came to Alvar Tirunagari. So from north he came down to south, and the light disappeared. Then he found that the place had some significance. So he inquired from the people, is there anything special about this place? Then he found 16 years old boy sits under tamarind tree without opening eyes, without speaking, without taking food, but he has grown well enough for that age. So the people were saying that it is very strange. Without taking food, how come he is able to grow? Then Madara Kaviyar felt that there is something divine aspect here. So let me see it. So he looked at the boy and he threw a small stone on the floor to find out whether he wakes up. Then he found some response. Then he gave a question to him. செத்ததின் வயிற்றில் சிறியது பிறந்தால் எத்தை தின்று எங்கே கிடக்கும்? If a life is created in a dead one, where will he eat? What will he eat? And where will he be? Then he got answer from that boy. Attai tindru ange kidakkum. So the meaning here is, this is a philosophical meaning. The Atma, if Atma is within the body, that Atma, if it is in remembrance of Paramatma, then it will be having a good thought. But if he is not, he is away from Paramatma, that is not in remembrance with Paramatma, then it will do more and more karma and will fall into the cycle of birth and death. This was the response he got from 16-year-old boy. That 16-year-old boy was Nammalvar. Madara Kavi decided that only he is my teacher, Guru. Then he begged him, he requested him to accept him as disciple. Nammalvar agreed for that. Swami Nammalvar accepted Madara Kavi as his disciple, and he told him, as I sing Pasurams on Divya Desa Perumal, you keep recording it. That is, write the Pasurams. So he started with Uyarvara Uyarnalam Udayavan Pasuram. And all Divya Desa Perumal, that is, all deities from all 108 temples assembled here, and they were asking Nammalvar to sing song in praise of him. Each one wanted a pasuram from Nammalvar. And Mother Kavi was so surprised to see that through his love towards his Acharyan multiplied many times more. He felt only Acharyan is his life. Only Acharyan is his parents. Acharyan is only his God. So everything is only Acharyan for me. So this is what Madara Kavi Alvar said in his Pasurams. 11 Pasuram, the collection of 11 Pasurams, Kanninil Siruthambu. That he says, Navitru இன்பமேதேனேன் மேவினேன் அவன் பொன்னடி மேமையே தேவு மற்றடியேன் குறுக்கூர் நம்பி பாவின் இன்னிசை பாடித் திரிவனே. So he says, தேவு மற்றடியேன் குறுக்கூர் நம்பி. I don't know any other God. I know only this God. My God is my Acharyan, my teacher. Kurukur Nambi is Nammalvar. And he says, Pavin Innesai Padithirvene. I will be singing the glory of my Acharyan. Only that will be my activity in my life. So, this is compared with how Lakshmanan did service to Rama, but Shatrughanan did service to Bharatan, who was the devotee of Lord Rama. Bharata did service to Lord Rama, and Shatrughanan did service to Bharatan. So here, Madara Kavi Alvar did service to, he considered everything is his Acharyan only. So Tirkolur Pen Pillai refers this and says, I am not like Madara Kavi Alvar. I didn't have any such devotion towards my Acharyan, and I didn't have devotion towards that deep devotion towards the Perumal Vaidyamanidhi. Without having all that, I was ready to leave this place. Why did I do like that? So she was crying to Sri Ramanuja, saying this statement.